Hello everyone, so today we are unboxing this air fryer which we bought from B&M in UK here, and this is from a brand called Tower and the capacity is 3 liter. So keep watching and let's see how it is.
A new air fryer we bought by the brand Tower, and we're hoping it turns out good. So let's open it up. After we open this, we have a nice sign that says air frying, roasting, grilling and baking. So that looks good.
Okay, we'll now open it. Inside, let's see what is there.
There is a code, which I'm assuming is for the air fryer.
There is an air fryer manual.
And then there's this.
What's that?
It has a thank you for choosing Tower and stuff.
Okay, keep it there.
And then a bit of cardboard, which we don't need.
Okay, now here is the air fryer. We'll just open it up and see how it looks. Okay, so now let's remove the box and keep it aside. So this is the air fryer. Now we'll just open the cover. You can see. Let's open this cover.
And this is the air fryer.
Okay, so we will open it and see how it is. So this is the plug, that is a 3-pin plug, which we can just put it on any socket. Now we'll just open the air fryer bucket and see. So just to give you an idea, the price of this air fryer was approximately about 30 to 32 pounds. Let's have a closer look now. These are the temperature settings, which starts from 0 and goes up to 200. And this is the timer setting, which goes from 0 to 30. So here is the timer and here is the temperature. And then we will be having some recipes provided with the manual. Yeah, so the recipes are there on the manual. There are some recipes which we can try, like homemade fries, bacon and egg, breakfast muffin,
honey lime chicken wings, lemon garlic salmon, and a molten chocolate lava cake.
Yeah, maybe we'll try those later on. So I'm just removing this paper cover from here. Before the first use, we'll have to wash the inside properly with the soapy water and warm water. I will be washing both of these before the first use, and then it is ready to use, just wiping it clean. In the next video, I will share with you something that I will make, and I will definitely give you a review of how it is. So definitely look out for the next video. I bought this air fryer liner also. This is a reusable liner, and it will be helping us to keep the air fryer clean. So I will be using this as well.